Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Savannah Bercali, aka Savvy Shades, and today I'm going to be showing you how I turn myself into an avatar. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. For today's look, I'm going to be recreating 𝐋𝐢𝐩 from Avatar. This is going to be my inspo pick right here, and I'm going to go ahead and start off by making my face and neck all blue. So I'm going to tame this mane right now. To do the base of my face, I'm going to be using this CC Beauty palette. I got this off Amazon, and I'm going to be mixing the light blue and the dark blue for 𝐋𝐢𝐻's skin tone. She has a lighter skin tone, so I might need to add some white to this. Now with a little mini spatula, I'm just taking some product off of my hand that I mixed, and I'm just applying it all over my face. With a damp beauty sponge, I'm using the one from Morphe. I'm just gonna start patting this all into my face. Making sure that I'm coating my ears and everything in between. I also want to make sure that I'm getting right all the way up to that hairline because you don't want to see your skin tone in the hairline. This looks like a hot mess. Just keep blending, just keep blending, just keep blending, just keep blending. I feel as though I'm gonna regret this. Look at me, I'm blue, bro. Literally have to get like every single little crevice. Okay, so now that you are fully blue, now we're gonna add some white. So I just went ahead and applied this white shade all underneath my under eye and my chin to give me that highlight. And I'm just gonna blend this all in. Everything with translucent powder just so when I start building up shadows on top of it, everything stays put and my base is very secure. Okay, so with a brush that I've already turned blue, I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the Stacey Marie palette, and I'm gonna be dipping into the shade Mood, and I'm just gonna be using that just to build up a little bit of a contour on the sides of my face. Now I'm just running Mood down the sides of my nose. I don't want a thin nose today. I want a very thick nose. I'm just placing that all in here. So for the brows, I'm just going to be taking a black eyeshadow and just lightly feathering it through my brows. Tiny brush like this to go in for all the shading on her face. Shading is all done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the nose. So I just need to add a little pink spot on the nose, and I'm gonna be using my Mayron makeup palette for that. Is on, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the dots. Now with some white Mayron face paint makeup, I am going to start applying a NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil underneath my lower lash line. Oh, I'm looking like an avatar. Okay, let's finish this up, Savannah. Finish it up! This is like the part when I'm doing my makeup where I lose everything, including my mind. So for lash lashes, I'm gonna be popping on Alter Ego from the Bold Face Makeup. These lashes are like super wispy. Whenever I put on my lashes, I just like to make a little S shape with them and kind of smooth out the kinks a little bit so it's easy to apply. I'm just painting that duo glue right on that lash strip. Now I'm taking some tweezers. These are so wispy. I just like to let the dry down a little bit. That way when I go to apply it, it just sticks right to my eye. Okay, so now that the lashes are on, I'm gonna go ahead and do the little braids in my hair. Shed a light on me. Ooh, I wanna eat cause I'm so hungry. Okay. So I went ahead and finished up the rest of the look by doing my hair and then put the feather in, and then I made these ears out of paper because I couldn't find any actual avatar ears online. The only thing I could find was elf ears, and it just seemed like it was gonna be a lot of work, so I just went ahead and made these bad boys with some paper. You get the same effect. I'm really happy with the look. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for sticking around to the very end of the video. I appreciate it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me turn myself into an avatar. And if you guys want to keep up with everything I'm doing makeup, then just go ahead and follow all my socials down in that description box below. But till then, I'll see you in my next YouTube video.